Hello everyone, I hope you're doing really well. I'm Zahra and we are in a collaborative course design area in which we are collaboratively creating this course. I just want to report on some of the new changes I have made in this course. Well, first of all, in a welcome page, I have provided a very brief summary of the syllabus. And at the end, I have mentioned that the students can go to the page of Anna, who have provided the detailed syllabus. And then, we should go to the next page, week 1. Okay, in week 1, I have added 3 major activities. These could be in the shape of any resource or activities, but I have preferred to choose forums so that we can create a kind of interactive atmosphere at the beginning. In introduction, yes, the students are invited to talk about themselves, their countries, their teaching career, and we can share stories and comment on each other's stories. Here in this page, Netiquette and Online Safety, I have provided a short video on Netiquette, then a couple of links, one between technophobia and technotopia, and then a couple of links on how to ensure safety of websites, and then students are provided with 3 scenarios and asked to discuss what they would do in these situations. This also needed these forum discussion topics. The next part is screencasting, in which I have provided one video showing them how to screencast, and then I have invited them to share screencast on their own profile, something like what we do in Nelly's courses. Well, these 3 activities are done in week 1, okay, but in order to make sure that the students have completed these activities, I want to assign them with badges. Well, I have already made some badges, in the shape of the logo I have provided. I took the logo to Paint and added these week 1, week 2, week 3, up to week 5. So I want to add these badges to the weeks. First of all, to week 1. I have not gone to other weeks. I go to this link, badges. I cannot go now to manage badges because I haven't added any badge so far, but after adding the first one, I can go to manage badges and do some other extra things. So I go to add a new badge. Okay, here the name of a badge, week 1, and then I'm not gonna specify version, it doesn't have anything to do with now. Okay, description, I can add some descriptions but not now. Well, yes, just let's add something concrete. Okay, congratulations, you have completed activities of week 1. Well, let's see what else we should do. We should now add the image. Let me choose the file, from the folder I have provided for badges. Now I choose badge of week 1 and upload it. Good. Here I can add something about image author's name, for example, my own name, Zahra Shafiee, my own email. Okay, about URL or other things. Okay, I'm not gonna set any expiry for this badge as it is the badge of week 1 and we want to keep learners motivated, so no expiry here. Let's create the badge to see what else we should add to it. Okay. Once I uploaded this badge and deleted it, but it showed that it's already uploaded. We can delete it again if it exists. Okay, here we've got some tabs. So we can overview, we can edit details, but here the most important thing is to add criteria. The badge criteria can be by manual issue, by role, course completion, awarded badges, and activity completion. Now in this one I've got 3 activities, so my criteria would be activity completion. As you see, we have already added some activities to this course design. I should look for the 3 forums I have added. Yes, these are the 3 forums up to the end. You see some labels, some other links. I go just to the 3 forums of introduction, etiquette on online safety, and screencasting. So if the students complete these 3 forums, they would be awarded the badge. I'm not gonna enable the date, and also I should go to the forums and set some conditions for completion. Okay, up to the end. Here. This is important to specify whether we want participants to do all of the selected activities or any of the selected activities. I want all of the selected activities. Description, let's see, I'm not going to add any description, so let's save and see what happens. Oops. Okay. I'm not sure about this error each time I faced this error, but error writing to database. But then I see my badges already over there. Let me go to manage badge. Now this time I can go to the page of managing badge and see what has been saved regarding the error that I didn't understand. Okay. So you see my badge is added. Week 1, badge status available, not available to users or not available. I would like it to be available to users after completing all these 3 criteria. The criteria, the forums that I have mentioned in those criteria are here. Recipient, no one has already received it. Is it visible? I can enable the access, but so far nobody has earned it. I can go to setting and edit it. I can duplicate it, make a copy of it. By going to edit, we can come here and make some changes in it. Let's go back. Okay, we can copy it or we can delete it. Now I have added one badge to this course. I can add some other badges and then leave it open for you to add several criteria, and then let for our potential users, potential participants to come and earn them. Okay, let me see, sort by badge status ascending. Okay, this can be ascending or descending. I would like it to begin from week 1, that is, then week 2, 3, etc. And availability, I can enable access, then students could be see it and start earning it. I'm not sure if it's okay to do it or not. Okay, let me go back to the course. Now it's time to add some conditions to, let me see. Yes, I should add some conditions to any of the 3 forums. I can go to week 1. As my editing is turned on, I go to any of the forums, go to its edit setting, and for example, set some conditions for them. I can even restrict them, restrict each of these forums to be done one after another. But since it is the first week, I would like learners to feel free and to go from one forum to the other forum. But I can go to rating, to post threshold liking, discussion liking, common module settings, availability, okay, restrict access, as I mentioned, I'm not gonna restrict it, activity completion, okay. Students can manually mark. I'm not sure. I would like them to go through some conditions. What are these conditions? That they require must view this activity to complete it. No, something more than viewing it. Student must post discussion or replies at least one. Yes. Students require discussion, must create discussions and replies. This can be to at least 2 replies to each other, a bit more strict, and I'm not gonna set time for completion. So if students enter this and create a post, create a discussion, and then reply to different discussions and comment on each other at least twice, will be the condition for completing the first part. And I can do it for any of 2 other forums. Well, I think it's okay for now, and I can come back with talking about different changes that I might make. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice time.